Grabe pala ang re-resback sa Pilipinas pag nagkagulo sa West Philippine Sea. Kaya pala duwag na duwag ang Chinang gumante. Pero kung magre-retaliate nga ang Chinese PLA Navy, wala daw tayong dapat ipag-alala kung magkakagera. Inisa-isa nga ni Philippine Navy spokesperson Trinidad ang mga bansang tutulong sa Pilipinas pag nagkadigmaan. 100% daw nalalabanan din nito ang China. Ngayon pa nga lang daw nagpapadala na ang mga bansang to ng warships sa West Philippine Sea to defend the Philippines. What more pa kaya kung magkakagulo na talaga? Sa mga bansang sinabi ng Philippine Navy, puro superpower country nga ang makakalaban ng China. Nangunguna dyan ang US Navy, Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force at Royal Australian Navy. Kaya mag-isip-isip ang China kung gaganti ba talaga sila sa Pilipinas. Ang nakakalungkot nga lang pag nangyari yan, yung unang mapuputukan o mamamatay ng mga Pilipino.
With other countries, 5 countries, we have elevated our defense relationship. We had the RAE with Japan, India, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, South Korea. Vietnam is coming, is already there. We have Canada, UK, France is there, Italy, and the other countries who have been expressing or giving statements of support. And not only statements, but actions, sending the ships, the troops, the aircraft to do joint activities with the Armed Forces of the Philippines. This, I can say, is the direction of the AFP under the current administration.
Kumpiyansa naman ang Department of National Defense na hindi magkakagera hanggang may tropa tayo dyan sa West Philippine Sea. Actually, hindi na nawawala ng warship dyan lalo na ang US Navy at Japan Navy. Idagdag mo pa ngayon ang Australian Navy at Canadian Navy na nasa West Philippine Sea din ngayon. Banat pa ni Commodore Trinidad, duwag yung mga Chinese na yan pag hindi Philippine Coast Guard ang nagbabantay dyan. Tignan mo ngayon, nag-change ang kanilang mga behavior ang babait nila. Dahil kasi may kasama ang BRPO si Rizal na magbantay sa paligid dyan.
We have noticed that for every, I mentioned earlier, for every MCA, there is a change in their actions. There are no coercive and aggressive actions being conducted by the Coast Guard, Chinese Coast Guard, and the PLA Navy against our ships from the Coast Guard, BFAR, Navy, and our aircraft. On the future of the country by 2028, we do not speculate on that. What we are doing right now is to ensure that every Filipino understands this is an existential threat. It will impact into the future of the Philippines and the next generation of Filipinos. Hence, as mentioned by the AFP spokesperson, we are very strong in giving out the truth. When you speak the truth, we don't need any coordination or any alignment of messages. We just have to say it how it is as it is. And the truth will stand up for itself. That is the thrust of the armed forces.
Buti nilang talaga kasama ang Philippine Coast Guard at BFAR sa Mutual Defense Treaty. Ang anumang paglubog o pagkawasak ng mga barkong yan ay aatake agad ang US. Talagang nasa China na ang desisyon kung sasakupin ba nila ang West Philippine Sea o malaking gulo ang kapalit nito. Ikomento sa baba ang inyong salobin.